Little brown to start the day off, guys. Beautiful little colors. He's like orange, pop. Check that one out.
Good shit. There's more, bro. I've seen a few.
Alright, I'm gonna get you some water. I got you. Hold on. Pretty little fish. That was cool. He came darting out for it. I seen him, a little shiny ass little self. Oh no, there's definitely bigger ones in this pocket, bro. What, you see him from where you're standing? Here, go ahead. What'd you cast in the bush? He said, yo, go, get out the water, get out the water. Oh, they already hit that one. Let me switch up.
Oh, you know what I saw on the side too?
What?
You throw the nymph right in here.
Oh, yeah. Go up on that other side, right? And throw it in that current, let it float down. You want one of these, or I'll set this one. See, we getting old. Fishing with them young bucks, they be looking at us like we crazy. I gotta kneel, squat, sit, something. I can't just be standing all the time.
Anybody. I'm a real fisherman.
Oh, look. Yeah, there's mad rooster tails in here too, bro. What you reaching for? Because that's the same one I was going into. Thanks. There's even some bigger ones here. AB want to take all my fucking Phoebes? I took all his rooster tails. He don't even realize it. I got almost all of them shits he had. I would just be like, yo, can I use one out of your case? I would use it, and when I was done, I would put it right back in my shit.
That's how you gotta get him though, because he be doing the same shit and he's looking like, yo bro, and this was even just like, yo bro, I don't care, but when I know you're doing
like he took my Meps, my gold Meps that was in here, look. You don't see it, right? Remember the gold Meps where you just put the little Phoebe? I had the gold Meps with the hair on it, remember?
Yeah, bro, see, like
with
that,
the black, with the black hair with the little red tip that sticks out.
I don't care you're taking it, bro, using it, bro, but nigga, put it back, bro. That's what you're gonna be with me fishing all the time. You're not gonna use it.
I know he's not the only one in this pocket.
Hell no, bro. After you caught him, I still was getting changed, so you definitely got more in you.
Like you said, so it's like we gotta go up to the other side of the bush right here. I'm gonna try a retarded cast though real fast. Watch this. I'm gonna launch that bitch all the way up to the other side of the bank. Huh? No, up there. It's hard because I gotta sidearm it. I can't overhand it or it'll go in that tree that's hanging. Yo, the rock got a split in it. Maybe it's a dinosaur egg, bro.